Meaning of decontamination.
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 Decontamination. Decontamination refers to the process of removing or neutralizing hazardous substances such as chemicals, radioactive materials, or infectious agents from surfaces, objects, or people. The result of decontamination is a reduction or elimination of the danger posed by the contaminant, making the affected area safe and suitable for use. Decontamination can involve physical cleaning, chemical treatment, or both, depending on the type of contaminant and the surface being decontaminated. Proper decontamination procedures are crucial in preventing the spread of contamination and protecting human health and the environment.